Let's say I have the graph of a hyperbola, and I want to find this equation from its features. Well, first, I know that the orientation of this hyperbola is horizontal. So I know that it's of the form x squared, and again, the center's at the origin. So x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Okay. Well, a is relatively easy to find because a is the distance from the center to the vertex. The distance is 5. So it's x squared over 25 minus y squared over b squared equals 1. Well, in order to find b, I need to use the fact that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the distance from the center to the focus. Okay, so I already know that a squared is 25. And on c squared, well, c is 7, so c squared must be 49. So I know that b squared must equal 24. Now, it really doesn't matter what b equals, because ultimately I'm trying to find b squared. So the equation for this hyperbola would be x squared over 25 minus y squared over 24 equals 1. And there you go.